Let us take to next level, which is the stages of business. Need to really understand the stages of business and need to understand in what stage your business is in right now. So what are these three stages? Establishing stage. Number one, it is the establishing stage wherein you build stakeholders. What are stakeholders? What are stakeholders? All your vendors are your stakeholders. You need to build vendors, need to build relationship with them because they are the players which are part of your business. They are the part of your enterprise. Again, the customers. You need to build the customer. You need to build the relationship with customers. You need to have good customers. Initially, you need to have good customers. You need to take care of those customers. They are also your stakeholders. Which are your different other stakeholders? Banker. Banker is your stakeholder. They contribute to the success of your business. If you need some finance, they are the people who have provided you the finance. Your team. Yes, you need to build your team. They are also your stakeholder. They are also responsible for the success of your business. In establishing stage, it makes very important for you to build the right type of team. Very important. So, need to take care of your stakeholders, even your investors. They are the stakeholders. In your initial stage, in the establishing stage, you need to ensure you build your stakeholders. You need to have your right team. You need to have good vendors who can go along with you. So stakeholders plays a very important role. And first priority comes of a stakeholder, building your stakeholders. Your customer base may be small, but then again, that customer base you need to build. You need to build relationship with them. You need to have the good customer feedbacks. You need to work on your feedbacks. Second priority comes to growth. Yes. Second priority, yes, you need to look after growth, but not at the cost of your team or your vendors or your banker or your investor. No. You need to have your strong team. You need to have your strong vendors. There, the major efforts of an entrepreneur comes into role. Right? Second priority comes, yes, to build the growth. What all you need to do to grow your business, you need to think of those things. And third, last priority is of building the system. Right? Maybe you are not having tally. Maybe you are giving invoice on your own. Maybe you are not investing in tools. Maybe you do not have even CRM software. It's okay. Initial stage, established stage, it's okay. If you have, good. But that is not the priority, right? What is the basic priority? Basic priority, first priority is to build the stakeholders, to have good vendors, to have good customers, to understand the customers, to get feedback from them, to keep them happy. Customer satisfaction becomes prime importance. Then yes, with that you then focus on developing the customer base, growing your business, looking forward to some sort of marketing. Okay, all those investment you can think of, but before that you need to be more focused towards building the stakeholders. And last importance is given to system. The second stage of your business is of consolidation stage. Consolidation stage, yes, building the growth becomes the priority, because until and unless you have the required market share, your position cannot be consolidated. आपको एक मुकाम पर पहुंचना होगा, एक आपने टारगेट सेट किया होगा. यू नीड टू सेट योर ओन टारगेट दैट यस आई वुड लाइक टू रीच टू दिस लेवल. This level is very important for me and I need to grow to that level. I need to be more focused towards market share, to capture some market share. We need to maintain the stakeholder, whatever vendors. Yes, we need to maintain those vendors. Yes, we need to have good relationship with them. We need to continue that thing. That becomes the second priority. You may not even keep on adding the vendors, changing your team, or thinking of having the more team or that moment of time. It's okay. With growth, you will definitely add on people, but then again, you need to have your sufficient team already there to sustain your growth. So establishing stage, major focus is on building your team, building your vendor, building your investor, building your banker, so that you can run your show efficiently. Once that is happen, yes, your focus moves towards capturing the required market share. And then again, here also, the building the system is not that crucial. Whatever systems you have built upon a time, it's okay. You can continue with that. You can keep on building on those systems here and there, but it's fine. It's not that firefighting area that you need to have a big system. But yes, I mean, third stage, in expansion stage, definitely you look forward to business growth, but then again, with system, you start building good systems. That becomes higher priority than maintaining the stakeholders, because you already have good relationship with them, and then you can put those all things on the system. You can set the processes right, and everything can become process oriented, and you can sustain your business for higher expansion. You can have more branches, you can have CRM systems in your business. You can have a big ERP software to manage your business efficiently. A lot of automation will come into picture, but then again, that is in the later stage, which is we call expansion stage. So which stage your business is at present? This is the assignment for you. Note it down. This will give you more awareness about your present stage. And yes, how will you align to the above priorities which I have given to you? How you will align yourself? First of all, understand which stage your business is into right now. It is in establishing stage, or consolidation stage, or expansion stage. See, ideally, it should take around 2 to 3 years to be in establishing stage. Beyond that, yes, you need to look after market size, market share, right? Consolidate your position, capture some market share. So around 3 to 5 years, yes, definitely you should be in the consolidation stage. And beyond 5 years, definitely it is of expansion stage. You need to think of expanding your business by the way of bringing more products in your business, by innovation, by the way of adding more products in your basket, by expanding the geography, right? By building more system oriented, more process oriented. All those things come in the later stage of your business, when you are established very much and you are a universal businessman. So prepare the note for yourself. You can share those things with me. You can take my inputs on that. But yes, this the assignment which you need to do. Mind blowing, right? Yeah, it's good. Your mind should blow this time. It is very important, very important. So complete this assignment. Which stage your business is at present, and how will you align to the above priorities?